Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from the topics binomial distribution. Suppose the coefficient of variation of binomial random variable x with parameter n and p is 100%. Find the variance of x when n equals to 3. Now, what is coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation is SD by mean into 100%. Coefficient of variation is SD by mean into 100%. What is SD? SD is positive square root of variance. Now, x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. This can be written symbolically that x follows binomial distribution with n comma p. X is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Now, what is n? N is number of occurrence of trial. What is P? P is probability of success. Probability of success. Since P is a probability, it lies between 0 and 1. And Q is probability of failure. Where P plus Q equals to 1. Since P is a positive fraction, therefore Q is also a positive fraction. Now, mean is NP. When x is a random variable follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p, then mean is NP and variance is NPQ. Now, SD is given as 100% in the question, and the formula for SD, coefficient of variation, is SD by mean into 100%. The coefficient of variation is 100%. Therefore, 100% equals to SD by mean into 100%. 100% get cancelled. Therefore, SD equals to mean. SD is what? Under root NPQ and mean is NP. Now we squaring both sides, we get n square p square q square equals to NP. Sorry, we squaring both sides, this becomes NPQ and this side is n square p square. Therefore, Q equals to n square p square by NP. This becomes NP. Now, n is given as 3. Therefore, Q equals to 3p. Now, Q plus P equals to 1. This is the condition. In place of Q, I am writing 3p plus P equals to 1. Therefore, 4p equals to 1. Or P equals to 1 by 4. Therefore, Q equals to 3 into 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4. I am getting the value of P, value of Q, and we know the value of N. Therefore, variance equals to NPQ. N is 3, Q is 3 by 4 and P is 1 by 4. This becomes 9 by 16. The variance of this binomial distribution is 9 by 16. This is the answer of this question. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.